Hello everyone. In this video we are going to study about line coding schemes. These line coding schemes comes under digital to digital conversion. So first we will see what is this line coding schemes. Line coding scheme is nothing but process of converting digital data into digital signals. That means if we give a digital data, we can convert that digital data into digital signals. So basically we can divide line coding schemes into 5 broad categories like unipolar, polar, bipolar, multilevel and multi-transition. And each category contains its own schemes like unipolar contains NRZ, polar contains NRZ, RZ and biphase. In that we have Manchester and differential Manchester. Bipolar contains AMI and pseudo-ternary. Multilevel contains 2B/1Q, 8B/6T and 4D PAM5. And multi-transition contains MLT3. So in this video we are going to study about unipolar and polar, where we will going to study on NRZ, polar, RZ, Manchester and differential Manchester. So first we shall see unipolar NRZ scheme. So traditionally unipolar scheme was designed as a NRZ scheme. NRZ stands for non-return to zero. We call it as NRZ. That means non-return to zero. Here if we have a positive voltage, then we indicate that by using bit 1. If we have a negative voltage, then we indicate that by using a bit 0. We call it as NRZ because the digital signal does not return to 0 at the mid of the bit, means it continues until the end of the bit. So let us take one example and let us see how to convert this digital data into digital signals by using unipolar NRZ. Okay, so this is the digital data what we have, 100111100. This is the digital data what we have, and we need to convert that into digital signals. So let us see how to do that. And here you need to remember one thing, that if you have 1, then you have to draw a line, okay, something like this. You have to draw a line above the reference line. So which is the reference line? This is the reference line. So if you have 1, you have to write a line above this reference line. And if you have 0 like this, you have to write the line on this reference line. Okay, so let us see how to write here. We have 1, so 1 means what? We have to write a line above the reference line. So I will write here. Now I have 0, so I have to write a line on the reference line. Next 0 on the reference line. Next I have 1 above the reference line, again 1 above the reference line, again 1 above the reference line. Then I have 0 on the reference line, then I have 0 on the reference line, then it continues. Okay, then I have to join these lines. We call it as unipolar because you can see here the line is above this reference line. We don't have below this reference line. It is only above the reference line. So we call it as unipolar NRZ. And you can see it is not coming to 0 in between. That means in the middle of the signal. Okay, it is completing the 1 bit. It is completing 1 bit. It is completing 0. Here also it is completing 0. Here it is completing 1, 1, 1. So in between it is not coming to 0. So we call it as NRZ. That means non-return to 0. Okay. One thing you need to remember, that if you get 1, you have to draw a line above the reference line. If you get 0, you have to draw the line on the reference line. Okay. And as usual, this is time, and we can refer it as 0 and this as voltage V. So this is unipolar NRZ. So let us take one more example. So I'll take digital data as 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. So let us see how to draw the digital signals for this digital data. First we have 0. First I'll write all these things. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is what? Time. And this is 0. So first I have 0 here. I'll draw the line on the reference line. Then again I have 0. I have 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then I need to join this. 0 and it continues. So this is what? Unipolar NRZ.